Hello, my dear lovely students. Welcome to your maths class. So, children, today in our class we are going to do one activity with the help of semicircles. And before that, let us quickly revise the shape once again and then we will move on with our activity. So, let's start. So children, as you can see here on the plate there is a biscuit. Now by looking at this, can you all tell me what is the shape of this biscuit? This biscuit is in circle shape. It's in the shape of a circle. Now if I break this biscuit in half, can you all tell me in what shape it has formed? It has formed to the shape of a semicircle. One sleeping line and then one curve made it a semicircle. In whichever position we will move, it will remain the same. It will remain semicircle only. So, when it was joined together, it was in the shape of a circle. And when we broke it, it became the semicircle. So, for the activity, you need some semicircles, one big circle and some small circles, and also along with it you need a glue. So let's start the activity. First we are going to take one semicircle shape and on the back side we will put glue. Just like this we are going to paste it, and just the same way we are going to repeat one by one. Now we are going to take one circle and fold it to make a semicircle, and then on the back side we are going to put glue. The same thing we are going to do and place it by its side. Now one by one we will take all the small circles and just like the previous ones we will make it semicircle and paste it accordingly. Now take your brown pencil crayon to make the stem. So what is this? It's a tree. We have made a tree with the help of semicircles. Now color the stem with brown color. Now let's take the big circle. So here what is the shape? It's in the shape of a circle, and if we fold it, it will become semicircle. One sleeping line and then one curve. Now we will be putting glue on the back side and we will paste it like this. Now take your orange pencil crayon and let's make the beak. So what are we making with this? Very good. We are making a bird. So this is the beak of the bird. And with the red color, we are going to make one tail. Now take the black pencil crayon and let's make the eyes. Now with the help of brown color, we are going to make the branch of the tree. Now let's make some leaves with this green color. So it's done. We have made some bushes, one tree and a bird with the help of semicircle.